Folks, this is Paul Leonard. I'm actually recording this in a hotel in New York City today. Seems like I've probably spent a lot of time in places like this over the last year, and I bet a lot of you have as well. 2025 was a great year for Keller. Fantastic year again, and that's only because of all the work that all of you have done. I just really wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you as we're starting to close out the year. I know a lot of you spent a lot of time away from home, time away from family and friends, weekends, time in hotels like this and all over the place. Keller's a great company, but it's only great because of its people, and it's got an outstanding team of people.
I'm most excited about watching our young leaders continue to develop. I'm amazed at how many have stepped up and contributed way above their experience level.
So what am I most proud of this year? I would say for sure it's our safety performance. Moore Trench is nearing 900 days since our last recordable injury. Groundwater control is at almost 500 days, and recon is approaching 300 days. That's a tribute to the culture that each of us share, and the belief all the way from the labor that's on his first day on the job to my position and everybody in between, is that the health and safety of every employee is the most critical thing to us.
The achievement I'm most proud of this year, there's actually two of them. The first one would be the effort we've had on hands-off. The North and Pacific have both done a great job in focusing on this, continuing to educate field and office the best ways to get hands-off equipment. Second achievement I'm really proud of is just the collaboration we've seen across the branches. Looked at a lot of difficult opportunities, a lot of challenging work, and we've pulled in the best knowledge and resources from each branch on a lot of these opportunities.
If I had to sum up one word for the business units that I have responsibility for, I would say cohesive. We're a good team, we work well together, we win together, we lose together. When one's up, they're up at a good time because another one's down.
I would say resiliency. We've had a lot of change, we've had a lot of obstacles. In the face of adversity, many people have stepped up and really performed above their capacity, and in so doing, they've contributed greatly to our success.
As we approach the holiday season, again, the thing that we're most proud of is that we've created a workplace where people can go home in the same condition they arrived at work. We try to give the employee a safe work experience by investing in the equipment and tools they need to do their job safely, by providing them training, and I think most importantly, reinforcing to them, letting them understand that they are our most important asset.
I just say thanks again. Really hope you get some time off during the holiday season. I really hope you get some time to relax, unwind, and enjoy this time with your family and friends.
Happy holidays from my grandbaby to you, and I hope you have a wonderful time. Enjoy being with friends and family, but when you're at work, please stay focused and stay safe.